So I think I've made this video before, but I want to talk about my most desired effect of testosterone when I went to start and even now. Um, and then I want to talk in the new video about my least desirable effect. My least desired effect, the one that I didn't expect, the one that I didn't like. So this will be two videos. So facial hair, the most desired effect of testosterone for me, and I'm pretty sure for most trans men, it's facial hair. Next might be the muscles. They might think the muscles are like the bulk, but I think the facial hair makes the biggest difference, to be honest. And if you think that when you get on testosterone you're gonna get facial hair in 3 months, you are very dead wrong. Some dudes actually do get a decent amount of hair in a couple months. Some grow a full beard in a year, but most likely it's gonna take you a year or two or a couple years. And sometimes, even in my case, it took me 8. It took me 8 years to start growing this that I have right here. It's not much. But it varies depending on each guy. This video is kind of for some people that are a little newer. I guess if you already are subscribed to me, you just want to see my opinion, that's fine. But this is for the guys new on testosterone, just figuring out stuff. But anyways, so it's all about your genetics. They say that your facial hair pattern grows according to your mom's father's facial hair pattern, but that is not true. And everybody will tell you it's true. I promise you it is not true, because my mom's dad has a full beard. He's Irish, so he has a full beard. And my dad has what I have. My dad has this connected to this, up to this, and down here. He doesn't grow a full beard. The only reason I'm growing a full beard is because of my mom's side of the family. Her dad grows a full beard. But my dad doesn't grow this. He has to shave this off because it's too patchy, and he's in his 40s. So he is not growing a beard anytime soon. So I take after my father. And honestly, even his father has the same facial hair pattern. I look more like my grandpa than my dad, because my dad is darker than me, and my grandpa is my shade. Not my shade, but closer to my shade. So it's not true that your facial hair pattern always goes after your mom's father or your mom's side of the family. Now, with me, the first thing that I think helped sprout my first bout of facial hair was biotin. I started taking 10,000 milligrams, not milligrams, it's MCGs. I don't know what that means. It's 10,000 MCGs because there's 5,000, 1,000, and like 500 or something like that. There's weird dosages, but 10,000 MCGs is the max you could take every day, and I started taking it. I didn't have any facial hair. I had the peach fuzz, and that was it. And it sprouted new hairs on my chin. And finally, after 3 years, I had noticeable hair. 3 years on testosterone, not 3 years after using biotin. Maybe like a year after using biotin, I started having a decent amount. And I still don't have too much, but it's enough to be noticeable now. And I am at my 8-year mark pretty much. I did take a year break off testosterone, but I don't really count too much of it because it was only a couple months. But if you think about it, don't get discouraged if you're new on testosterone and you're having this issue with not being able to grow any facial hair, because men don't grow facial hair that fast. Bio men either. So we're no different. We're gonna grow facial hair a little bit slower than we expected sometimes. Sometimes it happens with dudes. Sometimes dudes can't grow mustaches. Sometimes dudes can't grow beards. Sometimes dudes can't grow chin hair. Like, it's in different places. It varies depending upon the man. So, and the man and his genetics and how healthy he keeps his skin, because healthy skin grows healthy facial hair. Um, but yeah, like I've even gone on Facebook recently and I looked up some dude that I used to date, and he has less facial hair than I have, and he was more masculine than I was when we dated. So it depends on the dude, it depends on the man. So be patient. It takes a while. I'm 8 years and I'm still trying to grow my beard. So yeah, my most desired effect is testosterone. Definitely my facial hair, and definitely a lot of my pride is my facial hair, and my confidence is my facial hair. Because if I didn't have my facial hair, because I had it once to where I was so stressed out that my beard started falling out. That hurt my ego so bad to the point where I didn't even want to go outside. So yeah, definitely facial hair. I can't wait till it starts to grow in more, because it's full. You just can't really see it because it's so light. But that's always been the case. My facial hairs are blonde. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just want to talk about the facial hair a little bit. Yeah, my favorite part of testosterone. All right, peace.